What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol SDC for SmileDirectClub. On the left-hand side, we're looking at the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. This, of course, will be an update since we covered it just yesterday, and the main thing to discuss was the fact that we got a gap fill reversal. So as noting, today's high right here, it filled the gap, so back up to this area here around $6.59, and then it completely rolled over, and we saw this massive upper wick put in here on the 30, and we closed relatively weak down there towards the lows. So what I want to do is just shift the focus over to the 30-minute for a second here and talk about potential for a head and shoulders pattern. Now, obviously, this wouldn't be, it's not the cleanest head and shoulders, but if you look at this as shoulder one, certainly your head of filling the gap up on that opening drive higher, and then shoulder two over here, the neckline now is something like this. So I would argue a break underneath this horizontal area right around $5.60 opens the door to lower here inside of SmileDirectClub, and underneath that, as you know, if we just scrunch this chart up from yesterday, we have some levels. Probably the most notable one is the floor in place around this 518, where you could potentially be looking for longs once again. I'll also remind you that we didn't officially put this level on the chart yesterday, but now that we are pulling back a little more aggressively, you can monitor this support trend line to see if it holds up going into the future. And again, that might be slightly above the 518. It might be around that 518 on the dot. There's no saying for sure how this is going to unfold tomorrow morning, but that would be an area where if there is a chance to take a long, it would probably be down here with a stop loss just underneath and a target of these areas back up ahead, most notably this 573. You can see how price has acted as a magnet there, or that level has acted as a magnet for price there. That would be my upside target on a bounce, taking off, maybe half the position here, holding out the other half to see if we can make our way back higher up towards some of the most recent highs up towards 632 and even the gap fill area back towards that 659. Now, I'm not saying it has to go there again. That's why we take off half here, trail to stop higher if you are long from the support trend line in that instance. So that's probably the scenario I would watch out for. The one thing that's concerning or builds the downside case that there will be more pullback is the fact that the volume on today's session was so heavy, right? It's not like it was just a consolidation pullback, healthy, price acceptance up here, light volume, anything like that. No, it was pretty solid selling, really strong volume, and obviously we closed weak, so all areas to keep in mind. But again, if you're going to go fishing at any point in time, it's probably down here at 518. So quick update to bring you on SmileDirectClub. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything new, certainly let me know down below in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.